Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to enable quick response in Redmi A4 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to simply open your phone call app, click on settings, and here you will see there it is advanced setting. Then scroll down, click on quick response. Just you have to enable it. Show buttons for ending calls and sending SMS, you have to enable it. And you can see here it is written can't talk now, call me later, I will call you right back, I will call you later, can't talk now, what's up. And you can see, friends, here it is restore default. You can also do this, and you can change the sentence also. If you want to make your own sentence, you can. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.